Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I pulled out my Danessa Myricks Lightwork 5, also known as I Am palette. Let me tell you, it's amazing. And if you already have it, here is some a bit of inspiration for something that you can do if you're staring at it and it's like too much, because there are so many colors. There are like 18 colors, and where to start and where to end sometimes can be a little overwhelming when you have so many possibilities. So if you want to get some inspiration, or if you're just thinking about maybe I should buy it, watch this video and I will show you these two different looks. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? To start off my look, I dipped my Blender Pro into Venomous Void, I think it's called, from the Dark Galaxy palette from Pat McGrath. You can also, if you have, for example, I think it was called the Celestial Divinity or something like that, the holiday collection from 2021, Pat McGrath, the first mega mothership, because that's where the color also is in, but you can use any color you want to. I just chose this one because it's kind of purplish. Went in again with the same color, same brush. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I'm using the Pat McGrath eyeshadow primer for this look. Sometimes I really like it and sometimes I don't really know what to think, so I'm kind of still testing it out. Sometimes I feel like, even though I don't put on a lot, but sometimes I feel like it grabs onto too much color and makes it very, very dark. So I'm a little careful. Like I keep saying, it's easier to build up a look or build up some color rather than remove it and blend it out if you already put on too much. Let the fun begin with the Lightwork 5. I am healed. This is such a gorgeous, gorgeous purple color. I really can't get enough of this. And I'm just pressing it on with my Builder Pro. And then I'm pressing it into the matte shadow here I laid on to begin with. You can get so many different awesome looks with almost zero effort. It's amazing. Going in with the same color, but this time around with my ring finger on the mobile eyelid, just to really, really amp that color up. I am protected. This is one of the highlighter or the soft, what's it called? Soft energy shades, so it's more transparent. I am radiant. Now I'm gonna go in with this orangey kind of golden kind of shade and put that on the middle here. Before I go on to the lower part, I'm going to give this look an eyeliner. It's just a black liquid eyeliner. removed the loose powder under my eye and put on a little bit of foundation. Now I pulled out my flat definer brush and that I dipped into the Powerful. I am powerful. I think a lot of people have said that this color is the most shifty one. Of course, if you put it over a big area, you can really see the shift when you put some light on it and you move around. When you use it as an eyeliner like this, like I'm doing here under the eyes, it's not that shifty, but it's pretty. I'm gonna blend the border out a little bit with my soft definer brush. Back with a little bit of mascara on, and now I'm gonna give it a little bit of an inner corner highlight. I'm just using the I Am Radiant, the same as I have here on the middle of the eyelid. I felt like this look could use a lash, so that's what I put on. I'm now gonna go on to the second eye look. Like the other eye, I primed this eye area with some Pat McGrath eyeshadow primer. On my Blender Pro, I have on Protected. As you can see, when I put it on, it's very transparent and it's almost like it's fairy dust. It's really pretty. I'm gonna intend to do some kind of a mermaid inspired look. Or mermaid look, some might call it. But yeah, this is a beginning. It's a purplish, pinkish kind of shadow. On my Builder Pro, I have on the Resilient, I think it's called. The blue one, the soft energy filled. I'm gonna need a little bit more of that. Just gonna look down. Dip the same brush into Brave from the Bold Energy row. This is more like a greenish color with a little bigger kind of flex to it. I'm gonna end up with the purple and I'm gonna put that here in the outer corner. I'm gonna work with that because I don't want it to be so harsh. So I brushed off my Builder Pro and now I am kind of just blending it out a little bit. So it's not super harsh. Sprayed a little bit of setting spray on my hand and dipped into Abundant to make a green liner. I'm gonna dip into my hand again here where I have the colors, like so. I don't want it to be crazy because it's still like wash of color, this one. So no neon kind of crazy thing going on here. But we could use a little bit more green coming through here. Just a little bit more. I think this is just fine. I don't want to do anything crazy with the inner corner, but I do want to give it an inner corner highlight. So I dipped into the Molten Metal color. And here you have it, the final second look with some mascara on. I did not want to put on a pair of lashes because I thought that that would amp it up a little too much. I prefer it like this when it's so transparent and everything. I'm now going to scoot to the side so you can see the two different looks close up. And this is it. Of course, the lashes, they have quite an effect on a look, but you can still see that you have a lot of possibilities with this palette because it has the transparent shades and it has really impactful shades. Now I'm gonna scoot back here and I am gonna go off cam and put on a full face of makeup so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. This is it. This is what it looks like with a full face of makeup and now with glasses. And on my face, I am wearing the Pat McGrath Labs foundation in light medium 8. As a blush, I am wearing the darkest color from the Bridgerton 2 palette. And as a highlighter, I use a highlighter from that palette as well. I used the Nude Honey blush. No, sorry, it's not a blush. It's a bronzer. I hardly ever use bronzer, so I gotta get used to that. But I use that to bronze up the face a little bit because it's that time of year now where I am a little bit pale. On my lips, I am wearing the Nude Romantique 2. That's also from the Bridgerton collection. And on top of that, I put on some I Am Protected. That turned out to be a little too 80s to me, so I put on a little bit of Opulast Dreamscape. And this is what the whole thing looks like. As I said before, I love this palette. I truly do. It's amazing and it's so fun to play with and to see the effect it has and what you can do with the different colors, how you can use them in so many ways and create lots of look. So if you're thinking about getting this palette, be careful, don't think too long because it's limited edition, you might miss out on it. So I highly recommend it, and if you want to go get it, please. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be awesome to have you join. Now, I want to say thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope your day will be absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.